Hello Aquarius, how are you? Welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. Now, this is your weekly reading, that is, career, money and business reading from July 13th to July 19th. So let us see how your week goes. Now there's a news. Mercury finally goes forward. Motion, yes, it's moving forward. So things which were stuck previously, the final payments got stuck, the letter that you were to receive got stuck. I mean, not for all of you, most of you, it usually happens during retrograde. That will finally roll out. That is going to be a lot of work for all of us now, because pending things are just coming back to us, and there is something which has, there's a lot of work basically for all of us. So let's see. Eight of Cups in reverse. So if this is Eight of Cups in reverse, is like, I feel it talks about usually in an upright position, it's just like moving away from situations. So for some of you, that it's like, hold on, don't take an unknown path, or do not go dive into business which is not known to you, or do not go into that expansion mode which is not known to you. So it's like, pause for some time, have clarity, and then move from a certain situation. You pause, you are not moving, you need to just ground yourself, get more information regarding that. So that is what I'm thinking, that you some of you again would think that you are stuck in a certain situation, feeling of being stuck in a certain situation. So for some of you it might mean that too. So the Devil card. Devil card is like, what I feel here is that do not overindulge into, it talks about an obsession kind of an energy. I feel with expenses you need to cut short. With what I feel is that overindulgence you need not do, whether it's about having certain habits which is not good for health, or expenses on luxuries and holidaying and all. So to cut down that, some of you also, it could be a feeling that you are because of this retrograde still was there. You will be moving away from this. I feel this stuck feeling, this bonded feeling, this chained feelings in the coming week. You will be moving away from this energy, and things will get better in the coming weeks with this Devil card, I feel. Page of Cups. So it's for some of you it's a good luck. It's a small good luck, but really it will make a significant change in your life. It's about maybe getting a letter of job, or a money situation, a news of a money situation coming in. So or a contract that was being pending, your associates and partnership, it's just finally news is coming. So it's a piece of good luck for most of you with this Page of Cups, which will take you further in a better position in your near future. One more time. Ten of Pentacles. So it's a beautiful card. You're working towards manifesting more money, growing your money, putting your money on investments. It's about, again, it's a Pentacle card, so it's about real estate, it's about shop, office. You are trying to, what I feel, Aquarius, is you are trying to do purchases for your homes to make it luxurious, and artifacts, art pieces, all that what I get from this Ten of Pentacles, to make it more beautiful, to make it more good looking, to have a beautiful home or an office, and overall I feel that you have that feeling of warmth and feeling great also with this Ten of Pentacles. You are having a good family time. I think only that you need to make some adjustments with this Devil card and Eight of Cups. Certain situations you will need to make some adjustments. So this is it. I feel it's a great week. Otherwise See you in the next weekly reading, and if you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel.